Here's a debate that always blows people's minds. Is water actually wet? At first, the answer seems obvious. Of course, water is wet. It's the thing that makes everything else wet. But here's where science flips the script. Most scientists define wetness as the ability of a liquid to cling to a solid surface. By that definition, water itself isn't wet. Instead, water makes other things wet when it comes into contact with them. Think of it like this: a single drop of water floating in space isn't wet, it's just water. But if that same drop lands on your hand, suddenly you are wet because the liquid is now clinging to your solid skin. It's a little like fire. Fire itself isn't hot, it produces heat. In the same way, water isn't wet, but it produces wetness when it touches something else. Of course, this is partly a philosophical debate too. Some argue that because water molecules stick together, water is wet by default. Others say wetness only exists when there's a surface involved. Either way, the discussion shows how much our everyday words and our scientific definitions can clash. So, is water wet? Depends on how you define it, but one thing's for sure, just like how animals experience time differently, or how there's really no such thing as zero-calorie food, sometimes science forces us to rethink the simplest things we thought we knew.